face. No, you can't just record my face.
Okay, well.
Yeah! Oh, gee, I'm not recording it.
Okay, just go.
You're so stupid, Shandy. I'm not recording it.
You like pointed down to my face. Like, just go.
Okay. It was a very cold day, so the dad went to the sauna to freshen up and get all cozy warm. So when he was starting to feel himself, once he started getting all comfortable, he started feeling himself all over, up and down and all around, up and down and all around. Then his son walked in, but he didn't really know what was going on. So he asked, "Daddy, what are you doing?" And then Daddy answered, "I'm just touching myself, 'cause your mom doesn't do it for me." Oh yeah. And then the son asked, "Daddy, why do you do it?" And he said, "'Cause son, it feels good." Okay, that's the end.